I'm sorry, children. Let's continue, okay? So, what you can do is tomorrow you'll just go out of the house. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना बेटा, अपने घर के बाहर ही जाओ. See if you all are seeing birds. Try to listen to their chirping. Birds का जो साउंड होता है वो उसको एकदम ध्यान से सुनने की कोशिश करो. ऐसे लगता है कि वो हमें कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. Yes, it looks as if the birds wants to tell us something. And it really, like when you listen to that chirping, it sounds so beautiful, so pleasant. ऐसे लगता है कि उनकी वो चिप 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 जो है वो सुनते ही रहे हम. तो ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाइएगा, अपने घर के आसपास ही रहो और देखो अगर कोई चिड़िया आपको दिखती है तो, और उनकी आवाज़ सुनने की कोशिश करो, समझने की कोशिश करो कि वो क्या कहती है. वो आपस में तो बातें करते ही हैं जैसे हम इंसान आपस में बातें करते हैं. द वे वी टॉक टू ईच अदर. येस और नो? When you all go to school, you all talk to your classmates, you all talk to your teacher. When you are at home, you all talk to your parents, your mother, your brother, your sister. The same manner, उसी तरह से even the birds they talk to each other. Okay, so let's start with the poem. Bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Now here there are two birds talking to each other. One is a robin and the other one is jay. Okay? Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Now here Robin is talking to Jay. He is saying just think about the people. They do grow up, but they don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Here they are talking to each other saying that these human beings, these people, they don't like to eat beetle. Beetle is an insect. They don't grow wings. Now the birds are telling each other that they don't grow wings. हम इंसान के विंग्स होते हैं? नहीं, विंग्स तो पंछियों के होते हैं. Yes or no? So here the birds are talking to each other. They are describing the people कि people कैसे होते हैं. उनको खाने में beetles अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं. Beetle is a insect. उनके विंग्स नहीं होते हैं, उनके पंख नहीं होते हैं. ओके, दे डोंट लाइक सिटिंग ऑन वायर्स एंड थिंग्स. नाउ टेल मी बच्चा लोग, हाउ कैन वी ह्यूमन बीइंग सिट ऑन अ वायर? वी आर सो हैवी, है कि नहीं? अब आप बच्चे भी वायर पे बैठ सकते हो? नहीं बैठ पाएंगे आप भी. वायर नीचे आ जाएगी, आप बच्चों के साथ नीचे आ जाएंगे वायर के साथ. हम इंसान है, वी आर नॉट बर्ड्स. नाउ हियर द बर्ड्स आर थिंकिंग डिफरेंट. उनकी हमारे ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के लिए थिंकिंग अलग है. वो सोचते हैं कि इंसान बीटल्स क्यों नहीं खाते, कीड़े मकोड़े क्यों नहीं खाते हैं, उनके हमारे जैसे पंख क्यों नहीं हैं, वो हमारे जैसे उड़ते क्यों नहीं हैं, वो हमारे जैसे वायर पे या पेड़ पौधों पे क्यों नहीं बैठते हैं, डालियों पे क्यों नहीं बैठते हैं. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट Robin and Jay, they talk to each other. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now Robin and Jay, they are talking to each other, saying, aren't people funny इंसान फनी नहीं है जो इस तरह से जी रहे हैं, जो नेचर का मज़ा नहीं ले रहे हैं, जो पेड़ पौधों पे बैठते नहीं हैं, जो वायर पे झूलते नहीं हैं, जो कीड़ों मकोड़े खाते नहीं हैं. बट येस चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स, येस और नो. हमारा खाना अलग है, एनिमल्स का खाना अलग है, बर्ड्स का खाना अलग है. सो वी ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स हैव आवर फूड एज पर आवर रिक्वायरमेंट. हम कीड़ों मकोड़े नहीं खाते बेटा, येस और नो. हम तो अनाज खाते हैं, राइट? पका हुआ अनाज जो मम्मी पका के खिलाती है हमें. नाउ बर्ड्स कच्चा खा लेते हैं, रॉ अनाज खाते हैं, कीड़े मकोड़े खाते हैं, है ना. हम वैसे नहीं करते बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स. वीव गॉट ब्रेन्स टू थिंक. वीव गॉट अ ब्रेन जिससे हम सोचते हैं. हमें पता है कि हमारे लिए अच्छा क्या है, बुरा क्या है. इवन द बर्ड्स थिंक, ओके, बट द ओनली थिंग इज दैट they don't cook food like us. They eat whatever they get. The same manner even the animals. They eat raw food, they eat cooked food, whatever we give them, they eat. But we human beings have got brain. हम कच्चा रॉ फूड नहीं खा सकते हैं. बिना पकाए चावल हम खा सकते हैं? नहीं खा सकते हैं. Okay, so here the poet is telling us how the birds think about human beings. What are their thinkings about human beings? They find we are very funny. Why we are funny? Why? Because we don't have wings. We don't eat beetles or other insects. We don't sit on the wire to swing. We don't sit on animals, branches. Sorry, I mean to say plants, branches. So here the poet is telling us what these two birds are thinking about for human being. उनकी सोच जो है वो हम इंसानों के लिए कैसी है, और उनको ऐसे लगता है कि इंसान बहुत फनी है. Okay, now this poem is written by Ellen Fisher. Okay, the poet's name is Ellen Fisher. I'll repeat the poem again. Okay, bird talk. Bird talk means पंछियों जो बात करते हैं. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Now robin and jay are two birds sitting in the garden. They are talking to each other. Okay, think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Now here they are talking about people, about human being. They are talking about you and me in this poetry. Okay, they are telling that people, they grow, but they don't have feathers, they don't have wings. Now if we don't have wings, we don't have feathers. Okay, they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Have you ever seen a human being, a person sitting on something? नो बेटा, हम वस्तुओं के ऊपर थोड़ी बैठते हैं. नाउ कैन वी गो एंड सिट ऑन द फैन? नो, बट अ स्मॉल स्पैरो कैन कम फ्रॉम द विंडो एंड इट कैन गो एंड सिट ऑन द फैन. Many a times pigeons do come from the kitchen window. Crows also come from the kitchen windows. We cannot do that. Yes or no? Now here the birds are talking to each other, telling about human beings, how human beings are different from them. They eat beetles, they eat insects, they eat all the possible things, whatever is around them. But we don't do that. We eat cooked food. Some of you like burgers, ice creams, biscuits, chips. Yes or no? They eat whatever they get in their surroundings. Now birds have wings. We human beings don't have wings. They can fly. We cannot fly. They can sit on the wires. They can have parrots, crows, pigeons. They sit on the wires. We can't do that. हम करेंगे तो नीचे गिर जाएंगे बेटे. Right? Yes. Okay. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now birds are thinking that हम funny है क्योंकि हम उनकी तरह खाते नहीं हैं, हम उनकी तरह जीते नहीं हैं, हम वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं करते जो बर्ड्स करते हैं, तो उन्हें हम इंसान फनी लगते हैं. ओके, आई होप you like the poem. It's a very short and sweet poem. I'll send you a video of this poem. Try to understand the poem and please give me the feedback whether you all have understood the meaning of the poem or no. Tomorrow when you all tomorrow during the daytime, you all in the morning actually I would suggest you all, not early in the morning. Okay, by 10:30 11 o'clock you all can go out of your house, not far away, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना है बेटा. If you all can see birds, try to listen to what the birds are talking to each other when they are chirping. Chip, 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 chip. Whatever they do, that's the sound, chirping. Try to listen to that. और उनकी भाषा को समझने की कोशिश करो. Okay? I hope you like this poem. Try to understand this poem. Any problems, any queries, please send me a message on my number. You all have got my number. Okay? And I hope children that you all are focusing on your studies. Please do not neglect your studies. Don't give up your studies बेटा. यूँ सोचो कि आप रेगुलर स्कूल में जा रहे हो और हमारी रेगुलर स्टडीज़ हो रही है. ओके, डोंट गेट बोर्ड कि ऑनलाइन भेज रहे हैं, हमें ये नहीं हो रहा है, हमें डोंट डू दैट. ओके, डू योर वर्क वेल. आई विल बी सेंडिंग अ वीडियो. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड and if there's any problem you all can message me on my number. Okay, thank you so much children and have a nice day. Bye.